that is the family. Today we are going to read about the family. A reading, the tattered blankets. The name of the unit is the tattered blankets.
Blanket.
Yes, you know what is a blanket?
Yes,
We
sir.
are using blankets down, even on the cot on the floor, isn't it? Our school also supplying blankets, bed sheets, carpets, isn't it? Here,
Yes, sir.
tattered blanket. What is this tattered blanket? Before we are going to read this unit, I will show you one picture. Please look at the picture.
Yes, sir.
Please look at the picture. What do you observe?
Yes, sir.
What do you observe? You come across
Here one old man is.
a house, isn't it? There is a
Yes, sir.
and an old woman is sitting on the armchair.
Chair.
Easy chair we call it. It is not the chair. It is a easy chair, isn't it? So an old man
Yes, sir.
sitting, and in front of the house there is a tall tree, biggest tree, isn't it? And also what else you observe?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What else you observe? There is a car in front of
A
the
man, sir.
In front of that house, sir.
house or in front of the gate. In front of the gate
Yes, sir.
there was a car, and a man got down from the car and he is coming. He is walking towards his house, isn't it? In
Yes, sir.
his hand also
Yes, sir.
bag, so-called suitcase.
Yes.
He is having a
Yes, sir.
suitcase and walking towards his house. An old man is sitting on the armchair. This is the situation you come across in the picture, isn't it? And again,
Yes, sir.
again I will show you one more picture. Yes. Do you observe the picture? It
Yes, sir.
is a picture with so many family members. Here it is written, unity
Yes, sir.
family.
Unity family.
Unity family. It is also called
Family.
it is also called joint family. It is also called
Joint family.
Yes, sir.
yes.
Joint family.
Joint family.
What is a joint family? There are parents,
Many
More
members.
in the family, sir.
many members,
Many members in the family.
many members in the family, including grandparents, mother and father, their
Yes, sir.
father,
And aunt, uncle.
Aunt, uncle,
uncles,
grandmother, grandmother.
and their children, isn't it? Together we call them as a
Yes, sir.
unity family, joint family. We also call it as
Yes, sir.
joint family. Not only mother and father, but also their father, their daughters, their son-in-laws, their uncles, aunts, grandchildren, all put together is called a joint family or unity family. Do you have a unity family?
Yes, sir.
Huh? How many?
Yes, sir.
How many of
We
you?
have, sir.
Yes, somebody are having now, but mostly no families or joint families nowadays. Nowadays,
Yes, sir.
only few
They are.
families are joint families. Okay, I will show you another picture. I will show you another picture. You see here, it is called nuclear family. It is called nuclear family,
Nuclear family.
which means only father and mother with their children.
Yes, sir.
Only father and mother and
With their children.
their children or child. Somebody are having only one kid. Now
Yes, sir.
having only one kid. Maybe
Yes, sir.
son or girl. You see here, the first picture is they are having only one kid. And in the second picture, besides mother, father, and
Father, son, daughter.
son and a daughter. This may be a
Daughter.
yes. And also below, you see, there are pictures in which only mother, father, and their children, isn't it? In the earlier picture, which I have shown you, is a big family that is called a joint family, unity family. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and here it is only a limited family having only two kids and mother and father. This is a nuclear family, that is a joint family. So what is the difference here?
Sir, in joint family, there will be many members, sir. And
Ah,
in nuclear family, there will be only 3 or 4 members, sir. With parent.
okay, very good, very good. So this is about family.
Yes, sir.
Do you find many joint families in our society?
No, son.
Do you observe nowadays? No.
Yes, sir. We can observe that
Certainly there are.
in lockdown.
ప్రజెంట్ డేస్ లో ఎక్కువగా మనము ఈ యొక్క జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ చూస్తూ ఉండలేము, కనపడలేదు, మనకు ఉండడం లేదు.
Yes, sir.
Because
They are only nuclear family, yes, sir.
yes, because son is working at Hyderabad or Chennai or Bangalore somewhere, so he will be married. After getting marriage, he will be there with his wife, and after few years they are having one or two kids, only limited according to their jobs and their necessaries. They are moving from place to place and living separately. No joint families, only occasionally they are meeting when during Pongal holidays, during Sankranti or call it, or Deepavali. Deepavali is coming very near, isn't it? Within 2 or 3 days we are going to
Yes,
celebrate
sir.
Diwali festival, isn't it? So
Celebrate.
if your uncle,
Yes, sir.
aunt, or your grandparents may be there,
All relatives will come to our.
all will come, and we gather at one place in our village,
They will celebrate, sir.
a town, isn't it? We
Yes.
celebrate Deepavali, and then we all will
Yes, sir.
disperse again. Okay. So this is the difference
Yes, sir.
between nuclear family and joint family. Keep in mind. Okay.
Joint.
So now we are going to read about here a story about a tattered blanket. Now if you
Tattered blankets.
if you have the readers with you, please see the page number 1. All of you, please see the page number 1.
Yes, sir.
I think you are all supplied textbooks. What is called readers.
Yes, sir.
The world around
We
English.
have, sir.
The world around English is supplied to you. Please see the A reading, the tattered blanket. I will read out. Here,
Yes, sir.
I will also tell you one instruction. In the classroom, we teach differently when compared to Zoom class, because you are not
Yes, sir.
physically attending. You are not physically before us, before me. You are somewhere, here and there you are. Somebody are in Pedapanjani, and somebody are in Sadam and Aidapalli and Tirupati, Renugunta, Chittur, Madanapalli, Satyavedu, Kalastri. So many places you are sitting and listening to the class. So it is highly
Yes,
difficult
sir.
for me to follow the guidelines as given in the reader for teaching the lesson. Whereas I am proceeding in another way. Okay, I want all of you to understand the lesson. It is also not possible
Yes, sir.
to ask you everyone or at least a few students to answer my questions, comprehension and understanding. So that I will read out the first paragraph. Please listen carefully and also observe
Yes, sir.
in the reader. You have to do two things.
Okay, sir.
One is to listen. ఒకటి మీరు వినాలి, రెండు పుస్తకాల్లో కూడా చూడాలి. రెండు
Yes, sir.
పనులు ఒకేసారి చేయాలి.
Yes, sir.
Whenever I am giving meanings for difficult words, please write it down. Okay.
Done, sir. Yes, sir.
The tattered blanket. Tattered means torn. చిరిగిపోయినటువంటి దుప్పటి. This is the
Yes, sir.
lesson. When he arrived unexpectedly at his home in the countryside in his office car and got down at the gate, his mother, who was laying in armchair on the veranda, made a futile attempt to get up. This is the first paragraph. Generally,
Yes, sir.
we ask the students to read in the classroom, in the school atmosphere.
Yes, sir.
But here it is not possible. You have to read and comprehend. And I have to write the questions on the blackboard. You must answer the questions. It is not possible now because time is very limited and physically you are not before me. So that I am reading the paragraph and explaining. And I will ask some questions. Okay. So when he arrived unexpectedly at his home in the countryside in his office car and got down at the gate, his mother, who was lying in an armchair on the veranda, made a futile attempt to get up. So the writer, before that, you have to learn something about the writer. I will tell you few things about the writer. Just please listen. The lesson was written by Kamala Das. The letter was written by Kamala Das. You see, about the author, it is there. Who wrote the lesson? Kamala Das.
Kamala Das.
Her life period is from 1930 to 2009. Is the
2009.
is the daughter of the famous Malayalam poet. Who was the daughter? Kamala Das. Kamala Das was the daughter of the famous Malayalam poet. Malayalam, you know.
Poet.
Malayali.
Yes, sir.
It is Kerala.
Yes, sir.
Keralite. She is a Keralite. Her mother was Balamani Amma. What was her mother? Who was her mother?
Balamani.
Balamani Amma. And V.M. Nair. V.M. Nair was her father. Who was her father? V.M. Nair.
VMA.
The Keralites are generally Nairs. మనం తెలుగులో ఇక్కడ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ లో ఎక్కువగా రెడ్డి, నాయుడు అని పేర్లు పెట్టుకుంటాం కదా. అదే విధంగా కేరళ వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువగా కూడా నాయర్ అనే పేరు పెట్టి ఉంటుందన్నమాట చివరన. అట్లా విఎం నాయర్ అండ్ బాలామణి ఆర్ కమలా దాస్ పేరెంట్స్. షీ ఈస్ an internationally known poet. Internationally, not only in our country, she is well known to other country also, very far off countries. Say for example, Italy, Germany, America, Japan, China, Thailand, like this. She is well known to other countries also. Short story writer also. She writes small stories. Novelist who writes effortlessly both in English and Malayalam. She was a writer both in English and also Malayalam.
English and Malayalam.
As a Malayali, she is very well versed in writing novels in Malayalam language. She has received many awards. She was also given awards for her writings, literary works. Some of them are Asian Poetry Prize. So this is a one prize. Which one? Asian Poetry Prize. Kent Award for English Writing from Asian countries. Asian World Prize. Sahitya Academy Award. And Weiler Rama Varma Sahitya Award. You see, it is all given in the paragraph about the author. You have to read and keep in mind the prizes she got and awards that was given to Kamala Das.
Kamala Das.
Here, Kamala Das herself is narrating the story. The story is about Kamala Das. ఆమె ఈ కథలో ఏం చెప్తా ఉందో చూడండి. When he arrived, he here refers to who? He అంటే ఎవరు? Kamala Das
Son.
Kamala Das son. When he arrived means came unexpectedly at his home. Unexpectedly, without expectation. అనుకోకుండా రావడం. Unexpectedly, he came from his office in a car. He was far away. He was not with him, with her. So he got down from the car and he is just entering at the gate. When he was entering at the gate, who was sitting there? His mother.
Mother.
His mother was sitting.
His mother, Kamala.
Where was she sitting? She was sitting on the
In front of house.
veranda. What is a veranda?
In an armchair on the veranda.
The empty place in front of the house. కదా ఇంటి ముందర చూడండి
House.
అరువు ఉంది. ఆ యొక్క వరండాలో ఆర్మ్ చైర్ లో కుర్చీలో కూర్చో ఉంది వాళ్ళ అమ్మ. Made a futile attempt to get up. Futile. What is a futile? It is an adjective. It is an adjective.
Adjective.
Unsuccessful. Unsuccessful. Not fruitful. Not fruitful. ఫలవంతము కానటువంటిది. Unsuccessful. All my attempts to make him happy proved futile. In this way also you can use so many words you may use in a sentence, in your own sentence also. So the Kamala Das was sitting on the chair and her son is just coming from the gate, outside of the gate by car he got down. Kamala, there is somebody at the gate, she said. Somebody is in a car. Kamala, పిలుస్తా ఉందన్నమాట పక్కన. Kamala, there is somebody at the gate. Gate దగ్గర ఎవరో ఉన్నట్టున్నారే. Somebody are there. Somebody is in the car. Kamala,
Yes, sir.
Kamala, her eldest daughter, a widow, was sitting huddled up on the tinna on the veranda. Her head and ears covered with a thin bath towel. Bath towel. Got up reluctantly, walked slowly to the gate, and screwing up her eyes, peered into the darkness. It is also somewhat darkness. It is getting evening, so that is the climate is also very dull and dim. So darkening. Her eldest daughter, Kamala's eldest daughter, was a widow. What is a widow? Who lost her husband. She lost her husband. Was sitting huddled up on the tinna. Huddled means held arms and legs close because of fear or cold. What we do during the cold season? We are like this, isn't it? Sometimes we are putting our hands into the pockets, isn't it? Sometimes we are having our hands like this.
Holding back our hands.
Why? Because some coldness, itla undam chaliki kuda. కదా
Very full.
ఇట్లా ఉంటాం చలికి. In this way she is huddled and she was on the tinna on the veranda. This part of the house is called veranda. Yes, and tinna is a Malayalam word or in Tamil word also tinna అంటారు. తిన్నై అంటే అరుగు 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 మీద కూర్చొని ఉన్నదట చలికి వణికిపోతుంది. Her head and ears covered with a thin bath towel. You also come across the picture also. A white sarried woman here. Do you come across the picture?
Yes, sir.
She is sitting. How? A bath towel she was covering. Why? Because it is getting dark and cold. Okay. And she is covering her ears. Ears. This is her ears. She is covering ears. And also head also covered with that towel. Got up reluctantly, walked slowly. Reluctantly, what is the reluctantly means? Not interesting, not willing, not willing. In Telugu we call it aistamuga, istamu lekunda undadamu. Reluctantly she got up, walked slowly to the gate. She just went near to the gate and screwing up her eyes means narrowing the eyes to look more carefully. Look fixedly, దగ్గరగా ఇట్లా చూడడం. ఇట్లా కళ్ళు కనపడదు కదా చీకటి, పైగా ముసలి వయసు. ఇప్పుడే మనం అంతా అద్దాలు వేసుకుంటున్నాము. ఇంకా చూడండి అంత ముసలి వయసులో వాళ్ళు ఎలా ఉంటారు, కళ్ళు సరిగా కనపడదు. మన ఇంట్లో కూడా అవ్వ తాత వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు. Somebody are scratching.
Yes, sir.
Don't do that. Don't disturb. Don't do these mischievous things in the class. Okay. So they are not wearing spectacles also, so that narrowing the eyes to look more carefully. With interestingly, she is looking like this. దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి చూస్తా ఉందట. And the screwing up her eyes peered into the darkness. Peered means look like this. Do you observe me? I am looking like this. In this way, she is looking. And then come to the next page. What happened? She saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man walking through the gate. And she saw. Who did she saw? A man. A man is coming here, isn't it? This woman saw that man. How was the man? It is a adjective. Bald-headed. Bald. What is a bald? తల మీద జుట్టంతా కూడా చిరిగిపోయి ఉంటుంది, చెంబులాగా ఉంటుంది, కొంతమందికి చూసారంటే కదా.
Yes, sir.
నున్నగా పెద్ద గిన్నెలాగా ఉంటుంది, నున్నగా ఉంటుంది, ఒక జుట్టు కూడా ఉండదు కదా. But here in the picture it is not like that. It is described as bald and also fat, not very thin. Fat means lauga. And middle-aged man, and he is not an old man nor he is a young man. He is a middle-aged, nearly 50 to 55 years age. Man walking in through the gate. He came into the gate and he is walking towards the house. Oh, Gopi, she said in her grating voice. Why this sudden unexpected visit? So to her surprise, ఆశ్చర్యం, గబాని చూసి, ఓహో గోపినా, yes, Gopi is coming. Gopi. She said in her grating voice, why this sudden unexpected visit? Why he is unexpectedly is coming? He is not at all coming, but unexpectedly we are not expecting his arrival, his visit, but he is coming. Oh, he is Gopi. Kamala, who is it? Her mother asked loudly from the veranda. From the veranda, her mother is asking with a loud voice, Kamala, who is that? Who is coming in the car? Who came? Gopi. The man said, there was a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. I just dropped in on my way back. The man heard, and in reply, the man is saying, oh, I am Gopi. I am Gopi. I came to meeting. Where was the meeting held? Anyone? Where was the meeting?
Thiruvananthapuram.
Ah, very good. Thiruvananthapuram. Where is it? Where is Thiruvananthapuram? Where is Thiruvananthapuram? It is
Tamil Nadu side, sir.
no. It is in Kerala. It is in Kerala. Also,
Kerala.
we call it as a Trivandrum. Trivandrum. Per winner kada?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Trivandrum, Thiruvananthapuram, rendu kuda okate. Rendu kuda okay perle. It is in Kerala state.
Okay.
It is Kerala. So the meeting was held in Thiruvananthapuram. I attended the meeting. I just dropped in on my way back. So on my way back to Trivandrum, I am now coming to you. I am coming here. The man replied. Who, Kamala? Who is it? Again, there is a voice. Who? Kamala, Yavaru, Kamala, Yavaru. Who is it? There was a note of alarm in Amma's voice. Amma's voice. In mother's voice, who is it? The question is coming. Amma, why are you so sacred? Kamala, Gopi's eldest sister asked her a little awkwardly, as if you are seeing Gopi for the first time. Amma, why are you so sacred? Why you are so sacred? Kamala, Gopi's eldest sister. Kamala, who is Kamala? Gopi's eldest sister asked her a little awkwardly, as if you are seeing Gopi for the first time. ఏమ్మా గోపిని ఇప్పుడుదా నువ్వు మొట్టమొదటి చూస్తున్నట్టుగా ఉన్నావే. గోపి ఎప్పుడు తెలుదా నీకు? గోపి వస్తున్నాడు. గోపి ఎవరు? నీ కొడుకే. కానీ ఏమి తెలియనట్టుగా ఏదో అడుగుతున్నావు ఏంటి అని అడుగుతాను. అమ్మా, it's me, Gopi, he said again. Again, Gopi came very near to his mother and said, Amma, it is me, Nenuma, Nenu. So in this way, the man is giving response to his mother. He bent down and brought his face close to her wrinkled cheeks. Amma, it's me.
It's me.
She is an old woman. చాలా వయసు అయిపోయింది కదా ఆమెకి. ఆమె
Yes, sir.
చర్మం అంతా ఎట్లా ఉంది? శరీరం అంతా కూడా wrinkled. ముడతలు పడిపోయింది. చీక్స్ అంటే చెంపలంతా కూడా ముడతలు పడిపోయింది. దగ్గరికి వచ్చి మొహం దగ్గరికి, అమ్మా నేను, ఇట్ ఇస్ మీ, ఇట్ ఇస్ ఏ మీ. Gopi, Kamala, I cannot believe it. Has his school closed for vacation? Gopi, Kamala, I can't believe. నేను నమ్మలేకపోతున్నాను. వచ్చింది గోపినా, నేను నమ్మలేకపోతున్నాను. ఎలా వచ్చాడు? Has his school closed for vacation? Vacation, holidays. మనకు కూడా హాలిడేస్ ఇస్తే ఏం చేస్తాము? ఇంటికి వెళ్తాం. In the same
Yes, sir.
In the same way, she is asking his mother, why he came now? Has his school closed? School ఏమైనా మూసేశారా? సెలవులు ఇచ్చేసారా? అందుకనే ఏమైనా వచ్చావా అని అడుగుతాం. అమ్మ is often like these days. Amma is often like these days. She does not recognize anybody. Gopi's sister explained. Gopi's sister is explaining about Amma. Why? She is a very old woman. చాలా ముసలాం అయిపోయింది. ఇక్కడ ఓల్డ్ ఉమెన్ అంటే పాత మనిషి కాదు, పాత ఆమె కాదు. becoming aged due to overage. ఎక్కువ వయసు అయిపోతా ఉంది. She could not recognize, అంటే గుర్తుపట్టడం లేదు ఎవరిని కూడా. చాలా వయసు అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు చూడండి, కళ్ళు సరిగా కనపడదు కదా, వాళ్ళు లేచి నడచలేరు, అన్ని పనులు చేసుకోలేరు, వారికి మెమరీ కూడా లాస్ అయిపోతుంది, ఎవరనేటువంటిది కూడా తెలియదు. దగ్గర వచ్చినాక ఎవరు అంటే ఓహో అని అంటూ ఉంటారు. మన ఇంట్లో కూడా చాలా గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ ఉంటారు, వాళ్ళని కూడా మనం చూస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఇన్ దిస్ వే షీ ఈజ్ లాసింగ్ హర్ మెమరీ. Gopi's sister explaining, but sometimes her memory is quite sharp, very bright. Sometimes అప్పుడప్పుడు కొంచెము అప్పుడప్పుడు గుర్తుంటుందంట, అప్పుడప్పుడు మాత్రమే గుర్తుంటుంది. మెమరీ ఆపోజిట్, వాట్ ఈస్ మెమరీ? వాట్ ఈస్ ఆపోజిట్ ఆఫ్ మెమరీ? అర్చన, ఎనీబడి?
సార్,
వాట్ ఈస్ ఆపోజిట్ ఆఫ్ మెమరీ? Shamira, Prasant, anyone?
sharp sir, quite sharp.
No. Forget. Memory.
Okay sir.
Okay, make it down. Huh? Sharp. What is the opposite of sharp? Sharp opposite. Charan.
Forget sir.
No. Sharp means very
Quite.
very bright. Sharp means here opposite is a blunt. Opposite is blunt.
Blunt. Okay sir.
చురుకుగా పదునుగా అంటాం తెలుగులో షార్ప్ అంటే కదా.
Yes sir.
దానికి ఆపోజిట్ వ్యతిరేకం ఏంటంటే
Yes sir.
blunt. BLUNT, blunt.
Blunt.
Sometimes her memory is very sharp, very quiet. Then she asks me, if you have sent any letter, I tell her everything is fine with you. Vimala and the kids, what is the point of telling her that you haven't written for a year? Poor thing, I would not dream of making her unhappy. Up to that I will stop today, and we will continue in next class because time is also over. I will just give you one homework.
Okay sir.
Only 3 minutes are left over. I will give you one important word. Just I was telling you, the story is from Malayalam writer. Who was the writer? Samira. Kamala Das. She was a Malayali, isn't it? She was
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
writer. So now I will tell you, please write in your notebooks Malayalam. All of you write down. Come on, quick. This is a puzzle for you. Come on, write all of you. Malayalam.
Yes sir.
What is the spelling?
M-A-L-A-L-A-M.
M-A-L-A-Y-A-L.
Malayalam.
Malayalam. Okay. Have you written? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Have you written? Andaru rasara?
Yes, sir.
Anybody can read from back side. From back.
Malayalam, sir.
What do
From
you
back side also Malayalam only, sir.
then also you will get Malayalam. Okay. Malayalam. M-A-L-A-Y-A-L-A-M. If you read last letter, Malayalam. Okay. Same. You see the fun. You see the fun of this word Malayalam. From
Yes, sir.
beginning to ending.
Yes, sir.
And the ending to beginning, you will get the same. Okay. This is one
sir.
fun in the word Malayalam. So please write and tell me in my next class at least 2 or 3 words. Okay.
Yes, sir. Like dad, mom.
It is a homework for you. Just to think and write some more words like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And also listen to me now. In my last class, I gave you homework.
Letter to friend.
Letter to a
Letter to your friend. I asked you to write a letter to your friend.
Yes, sir. We have wrote, sir.
How many
You have
written? Only few. Some boys or girls may send to my WhatsApp. I also observed. I also looked. I also corrected. I read in my phone. In my phone, I read your letters, which you are sent to me. Okay.
Sir, but we are not having your number, no, sir. We kept to our group, sir.
So I don't know the names. Only few students have submitted their letter in my phone. Okay. I will tell you my number also. Please write down.
Yes, sir.
944 00
Yes, sir.
91
sir.
683
Sir.
683.
Sir.
Again I will
Yes,
tell
sir.
you. Again I will tell you 944
Yes,
00
sir.
00
Yes, sir.
91
Yes, sir.
683.
Yes, sir.
Please send to my WhatsApp number.
Okay, sir.
I haven't forgotten. And another question I have given. What is that? What is the meaning of Gilli Danda?
Gilli Danda.
Gilli
Yes,
Danda I
sir.
asked you. Yes. Do you remember?
Yes, sir. That.
Gilli Danda. Gilli Danda is a game played with
That
a long
with
stick,
2 sticks they will play, sir.
a small stick, isn't it?
Small stick and big stick, sir.
Yes. In Telugu you call it as a jilla katta, billa katta antam. Kada?
Yes, sir.
అబ్బాయిలు ఎవరు మాట్లాడటం
They'll beat that.
అబ్బాయిలు ఎవరు
They'll
మాట్లాడటం
beat that small stick with the big stick, sir.
దిలీప్ చక్రవర్తి
Okay, sir.
గిల్లి దండా ఈజ్ ఏ గేమ్ ప్లేడ్ విత్ ఏ స్మాల్
Played in external Asian country.
Sir.
ఇట్లా
Pick a small oval shaped piece of wood.
బాబు విద్యావార్తి క్లాసెస్ వస్తాను చూసి ఫోటోస్ పెట్టాలా మీరు నోట్బుక్ లో ఏం రాస్తున్నారో పెట్టాలి ఓకేనా
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.